Alright, here we are on the second stage of getting ready to go into a repossession of a Ford F-350. Just got all the lights hooked up. This is a 2007 Dodge F-350. Just come out of AC's off of McDowell Road in Jackson, Mississippi. And he has installed some very cool lights on it. I want a little bit more than what is installed on it, but as you can tell, it's raining right now, but it's fully lit. We've got our tire bars, we've got our lights. I do have the workup lights. They're not on right now, but she is fully ready to go. I think he did an awesome job with it. Again, this is the 2007 Dodge F-350 with a full Cummins, full workup control for the bed. I never have to get out of the truck unless I have to use the tire wedges. He's got a 6 set of strobes on all sides. All the lights is hooked up. It's just a absolutely wonderful job. We're out here in the rain getting ready to go hook up to a truck that has been looked for several days now. I want more lights in the cab of the truck. We got strobes that's hitting obviously with wigwags in the headlights, and down the side we've got all kinds of caution lights. And we've got the definitely alternating strobe lights on the top with the auxiliary back and forth wigwags. That is just awesome. And we got our caution lights, and again this boom right here. We do not have to get out of the truck. Actually, we could just snag a boat, a trailer. Actually, a motorcycle could be loaded onto this if needed be. But going into the control panel, we're looking at a auxiliary switch that will give us our flash rotation and back hook up to the mini strobes on the inside, which gives it all over view. An excellent light show. I hope you check it out. I hope you like it. More to come. This is part 2. Again, we are getting ready to go hook up to a F-350 that we've been looking for here, and hope you enjoy it. Leave all your feedbacks and let me know.